Shweta, how are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Thanks for asking. Okay, so first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity to introduce about myself in front of you. My name is Sweta Kumari. I live in Bangalore, but I'm basically from Jharkhand. About my educational qualification, I have done my post-graduation and graduation with mathematics from Binod Bihari Mahto Kolanchal University, Dhanbad, and Vinoba Bhave University, Hazaribagh, respectively. Apart from that, I have done a diploma in computer from Sangam Infotech Education. In my experience where I have participated in a quiz competition, that is question answer round competition related to general knowledge. And I won, which was held in Tundi, Dhanbad, organized by 𝐁𝐨𝐴𝐤 School. And I won a prize, second prize, and medal and a certificate for that. And sir, I love teaching. I always passionate to be a good teacher because I love to interact with students. And before COVID, I started teaching as a home tutor. I have more than 2 years of experience. And I started teaching to the students up to class 1 to 10, especially mathematics. And my hobbies are listening music, singing, dancing, making new friends and talk with them. And I'm well oriented my nature is like a communicative nature. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Shweta, as you mentioned that you already have experience of teaching. So tell me the biggest achievement of yours till date.
What, sir?
Tell me the biggest achievement, like you have been teaching from 2 years. So, okay. So what is the biggest achievement that you have achieved in these 2 years?
Sir, actually, sir, I have more than 2 years of experience as a home tutor. I used to teach my nearby students where I live.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Shweta, why now you want to come in Byju's? Because till now you have taught in physical learning, right? Physically, you have taught students, but Byju's is a completely online pattern. The learning is completely online.
Sir.
Why do you want to join Byju's?
Sir, Byju's is a edtech company, one of the largest edtech company, which I thought I can grow in Byju's, and we can find lots of students from which I can interact with the students. That's why I chose Byju's.
But still, apart from Byju's, also we have multiple options like extra marks and all. There are different companies. So why only Byju's?
Sir, actually, I applied at different sites in edtech companies, but I didn't fall from anywhere. That's why I want to join Byju.
Okay, okay. So tell me some unique feature of Byju's application.
Okay, sir. I like most in Byju is 3D animation learning in Byju, and two teacher advantage. It is new in Byju, and adaptive learning and knowledge graph.
Okay, so what is adaptive learning, Shweta?
It is a learning where the students can find the instruments and online, like digital online learning, that student can learn online with instruments, electronic instruments and all that.
That is called virtual learning, na? What is adaptive learning?
I'm not getting.
Not getting the point. Okay, okay. And you also mentioned knowledge graph. What is knowledge graph?
Knowledge graphs, it is a graph like students can learn with knowledge, like a teacher can teach with a chart and with any graph. That is called.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Do you know who is the founder of Byju's?
Definitely, sir. Baiju Rabindran, sir.
Okay. And what is the year of foundation?
It's 2011.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So Shweta, now we'll move to next section of the interview, that is a live demo section. Okay. So whatever topic you have prepared from your side, just give me a live demo on that topic. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you
go ahead?
Hello students, my name is Sweta Kumari, and today Hi, I'm Sweta Kumari, and today we are here to discuss about some basic concept of number system and its types. So, students, do you know about numbers? What is number? So, in our daily life, we speak 1, 2, 3, 4. That is number. So, do you know that numbers has many types and its kinds? So today we are discuss about today we are going to discuss about number system and its type by a simple chart. Okay, so let's start. So number we told 1, 2, 3, 4 all are numbers, and numbers is denoted by n. Okay. In mathematics, numbers are divided into many categories and many types. So number is divided into two parts, that is real number, and second one is imaginary number. So here we need to know what is real number and what is imaginary number. So real number is the number which expressed as the infinite decimal expansion. Like it can be positive, it can be negative. So like a real number is nothing. We can write 1, 2, 3, 4 in our that is real number. Okay. Now moves on imaginary number. Imaginary number, what is imaginary number? So the number which contains I, which contain I, that is called imaginary number. So like let's take example. If we take 3 plus 4i, that is a imaginary number because it contains I. Now if we put the value of I is 1, now automatically the number will be 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And if we put the value of I is equal to 2, then the number will be 3 plus 4 to the 8. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. That means we can say if we put the value of I is different, the number will be automatically changed. So that is imaginary number. So but now real number, now this real number is categorized into two parts, that is integers, that is that is rational number and irrational number. Now here question arise, differentiate between rational number and irrational number, and what is rational and irrational number. So first we need to learn what is rational number, definition of irrational number and all that. Okay. So first, in case of rational number, we all know that rational number is the number which is written in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. Okay, that is rational number. If we take example, root 16 is a rational number because the value of root 16 is 4. Like that root 4 is a rational number because value is 2. So rational number is like p by q, where q not equal to 0. Now in irrational number, in the same time, irrational number is not in the written in the form of fraction. Irrational number is also non-terminating and non-repeating number. Like if we take root 2, the value of root 2 is 1.414 and it goes on. So root 2, we can take root 2 and we can say root 2 is an irrational number because it is non-terminating and non-repeating number. Okay. Now this rational numbers is divided into two parts, that is integers and second one is fraction. But all these are part of real number. Now integers can be negative, it can be positive, including 0, means we can say the groups of number either it is negative or positive including 0, that is called integers. Okay. Now moves on fraction. Fraction is the number which have numerator and denominator, which can be written in the form of x by y, where x is numerator and y is denominator. So fraction is of all many types, like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction. Okay, so integers and fraction. Now integers is categorized into two parts, that is whole number and second one is natural number. We all know that what is whole number and what is natural number. The groups, the sequence of number which is starting from 0, that is called whole number, and the sequence of number which is starting from 1, that is called natural number. So starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to it goes on infinity, that is called natural number. It's a very easy concept to understand about number system. Now this whole number this natural number is categorized into 4 parts, that is even number, odd number, prime number and composite number. I think it is the one of the important part to know about what is prime number and composite number, because we all know that what is even number and odd number. Even is the number which difference to like 2, 4, 6, 8. It is even number, and odd number is also difference of 2, but it is 1, 3, 5, 7. This is even number and odd number. But important topic is prime number and composite number. Prime number, now what is prime number and what is composite number? So first we need to know about what is prime number. So prime number is the number which have only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. That is called prime number. Like 2 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 2 and 1. 3 is also a prime number because it has 2 factors, 1 and 3. Like that, 5 is also a prime number, 7 is also a prime number, 11 is also a prime number, and it goes on. And now moves on composite number. The number which have more than 2 factors, that is called composite number. Like if we take 4, 4 is the composite number because it has more than 2 factors. The factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4 itself. So 4 has 3 factors. It is more than 2. That's why it is called composite number. Like 4, 6 is also a composite number. 8 is also a composite number. 9, 10 is also a composite number. So this is a basic diagram to understand about basic concept of number system. Okay, so we repeat again. If we repeat again, number is categorized into 2 parts, that is real and imaginary number. Now real number is divided into 2 parts, that is rational number, the number which is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0, that is called rational number, and second one is irrational number. If we take irrational number, example of irrational number, that is root 2, we can say root 3 is also irrational number. Now, rational number is categorized into 2 parts, integers and fractions. Integers can be positive, integers can be negative and 0. And fraction which contain numerator and denominator, that is called fraction. Okay. Now, integers is divided into 2 parts, whole number and natural number. Whole number, the number of sequence which is starting from 0 is called whole number, and which is starting from 1, that is called natural number. Now natural number is divided into 4 parts, that is even number, odd number, prime number and composite number. So even 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to 12, that is called even number. Odd is 1, 3, 5, 7, it goes on. And prime number, the number which have only 2 factors, that is 1, and the number itself, that is called prime number. And the number which have more than 2 factors, that is called composite number.
Okay,
so
Shweta,
that
come
is
back.
all about some basic concept. Yeah, okay. Concept
Got
of
you.
number system. Okay, sir.
Got you.
Okay, sir.
That was very good session, Shweta, and you have nicely explained everything about numbers. So it was very good. Okay. So now we'll have our next section of the interview, and that will be our question answer round. Okay. So try to answer as many questions as you can. Okay, and give your best shot. Okay. So my first question to you is, tell me the formula of sine A plus B.
Sin A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sir.
What is the formula of cos A plus B?
Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B.
What is the value of tan 45 degree?
Sir, tan 45 is 1.
1. Okay. What is the value of tan 90 degree?
Tan 90 degree. It's infinity, sir.
Okay. Suppose if we have a question that sin A is equals to cos B and A and B are acute angle, then what is the value of A and B?
Sir, sin A is equal to cos A.
Cos B.
Cos B. Okay.
And A and B are acute angles.
Okay, acute angle is the angle which is less than 90 degree. So
yes.
It's 45. Obviously, it is 45.
Why so? Why 45?
45 because sir, you said sin A is equal to cos B.
Yes.
Sir, because sin A, the value of A in sin cos 45 degree will be same, and it is acute angle also.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Now tell me the formula of like volume of cone.
Volume of cone, that is pi r square h.
What is the formula of volume of cylinder?
1 by 3 pi r square h. Sir,
okay.
1 by 2 pi r square h.
Are you sure?
Sir, actually, I'm not 1 by 3 pi r square h. Sir, 1 by 2, not 1 by 2. It's 1 by 3 pi r square h.
Okay. What is area of trapezium?
Area of trapezium is so 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides into height h.
Okay. What is the formula of rhombus? Area of rhombus? How to find rhombus?
Okay, sir. Area of rhombus is P into Q by 2, where P and Q are the diagonals of the rhombus.
Okay. What is the difference between secant and tangent?
Okay. First, sir, secant. Secant is a number. Sorry. Secant is a line segment which touch the circle in 2 points. Touch the curves in 2 points. That is called secant. And at the same time, tangent is a straight line which touch the curve at 1 point.
Curve or circle?
Yes, sir. Circle.
Okay. So how many tangents can we draw in a circle?
Okay, sir. So wait. Sir, it's infinity, sir.
And what about secants?
Secant, so many. It's infinity secants we can draw.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So now tell me. Now we have a question regarding your topic. Okay, number systems. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first of all, tell me what is rational and irrational numbers?
Sir, rational number is the number which is written in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0.
Okay.
Or in the other hand, we can say, yes, sir.
So what is irrational?
Irrational is the number which is non-terminating and non-repeating number.
Non-terminating and non-repeating.
Okay, it can't be written in the form of P by Q.
Can you give me an example of irrational number?
Irrational number, yes, sir. Root 2 is irrational number, is 1.414. We use pi in mathematics, whose value is 3.14. That is also a irrational number.
Okay. Tell me what is the difference between concave and convex polygon?
Okay, sir. Concave polygon is the polygon its interior angle is greater than 180 degree. That is concave polygon. And in the case of convex polygon, the interior angle is less than 180 degree.
Okay. Are you sure? Anything else you want to add?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
So we can draw. Okay, sir, we can draw. Actually, we can draw concave polygon is like that. This is concave polygon.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and convex is like that is.
Okay, got your point. Okay. There is a relation between mean, median, and mode. What is the relation?
Relation, sir.
Between mean, median, and mode.
Or definition. Relation.
No, relation.
Okay.
Relation.
Relation is mode minus mean is equal to 3 into median minus mean.
Okay. What is a midpoint theorem?
Midpoint theorem, yes, sir. The theorem states that the line segment joining two midpoint of the sides of the triangle, which is always parallel to the third sides of the triangle, and it is half of the third side of the triangle.
Okay. Have you heard about Vpt theorem?
Yes, sir.
What
Basic
is it?
proportionality theorem.
What is it?
Yes, sir. Okay, if basic proportionality, it states that the line segment joining two sides of the triangle, if it's joined two sides of a triangle, then it's always divide the sides in the same ratio.
Same ratio.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, like, what is the difference between simple difference between? Tell me, rational and irrational. You have already mentioned, right? So now tell me, how many kind of number do we have?
Yes, sir. What you asked, sir?
How many kind of numbers do we have?
How many kinds of number? It's natural number, whole number, real number, imaginary, integers, fractions, rational, irrational numbers. That is all.
So if we combine negative number, okay, and whole number,
okay,
what is the final outcome that we'll get?
Negative number and whole number.
Yes.
Negative number like -1, -2, -3, and whole number is starting from 0. We can say it's integers, sir.
Integers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Differentiate between centroid, orthocenter, and circumcenter.
Okay. First, what's the ortho? First,
Centroid.
Centroid. Okay. So centroid is the point where. Wait, sir, what you asked again? Please repeat again.
First of all, tell me what is centroid.
Centroid. Okay, sir. So centroid is the point where perpendicular bisector of the triangle meets.
Perpendicular bisector of a triangle.
Centroid.
Okay.
Yeah. Its formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2.
Okay. What is orthocenter? And
orthocenter is the point where the altitudes of triangle meets, perpendicular altitudes meet. That is called.
What is circumcenter?
Circumcenter is also a point. It is a point where perpendicular sides of triangle meets. That is called orthocenter. If you draw the diagram of orthocenter, so what you said, circumcenter, then sir, see, this is a triangle where perpendicular lines meets.
I'm unable to see. Just have your copy a bit up. Okay, got your point. Take it.
Wait, sir. Sir, this is orthocenter.
Okay. Okay, got your point. Now I'm giving you an equation. Please solve and tell me the answer. Okay. Note the equation.
Okay, sir. Wait. Now tell me, sir.
7 sine square A.
7 sine square A.
Plus 3 cos square A.
Okay.
Is equals to 4. Tell me the value of tan A.
Okay, sir. Sir, it will take time. Lengthy question.
It will take time. Lengthy question. It's very simple question. It should
Sir,
not
wait.
take more than 30
No.
seconds.
Okay, so 0. Sir, it's 0.
0? Are you sure? I don't think so.
Wait, sir.
Okay, no worries. We'll discuss this question later. I'm giving you a new question. Don't worry. Leave
Sir,
that.
it's infinity or 0. Maybe it will be infinite. Infinity or 0.
No, it's not infinity or neither 0. Both are not correct. No worries. We'll discuss this. Okay. Okay. So if we have a polynomial, if we have an equation
Okay.
of degree 4, what is that equation called?
Degree 4. Sir, it's polynomial.
Only polynomial? Any type, any category?
Sir, degree 4.
Yes. Chalo, what if we have the equation of degree more than 4? Might be 5 or 6. What do we call that?
Sir, actually, I know so 2 is binomial, 3 is trinomial, and degree 4 is called polynomial. Polynomial is 4, 5, 6.
What
More
about
than,
after? Achha, more than 4, everything is polynomial as per you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, can
perfect.
you hint?
No, okay, you are right. You're going right way. I just want to know whatever you know regarding this, okay?
Yes,
I'll tell you in the
yes.
feedback session, okay? Don't worry. Okay, so do you know about geometric progression, GP?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you an equation, please note it down.
Okay, sir. Great.
Suppose if A minus B,
A minus B.
comma B minus C,
Yes, sir.
comma C minus A. This is a GP series. Okay?
Okay.
You have to find the value of A plus B plus C to the power whole square.
A plus B plus C whole
To
square.
the power whole square.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in GP series, the ratio of 2 numbers are same. Ratio are same. So minus C. Minus. Sir, it is 1 by 4.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Define slope. What is slope?
Slope. Sir, I know, but this time I don't remember what is slope.
Okay. Suppose we have an equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then how to find the root of equation by applying a formula?
Sir, repeat again. Question.
I have an equation ax square plus bx plus c. Generic equation we have. Okay. And we have to find the root of equations using a formula. What is the formula to find the roots? Tell me the formula to find the roots.
Okay. Sir, one formula is minus d plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
What is b square minus 4ac?
Sir, this is called discriminant.
Okay. Okay. What is Hero's formula?
Okay, sir. Hero's formula. In Hero's formula, we find the area of triangle that where formula is under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c by 2.
2. Okay. Okay. And how to find the s in that Hero's formula?
We find s by a plus b plus c by 2.
Okay. Okay. So the next question I have with you is, what salary do we expect from Byju's?
Sir, actually, I will have no problem whatever they will give.
Suppose if they give you 5,000 rupees for 3 months, will you accept that?
Sir, how will accept? Because I read in mail is 4 LPA in
No,
mail.
I am okay. I understand and I agree with your point that it was 4 LPA. But suppose in training period, they give you 5 or 10 LPA, sorry, 5 or 10,000 rupees for 3 months in training period. So will you be okay with that?
Sir, no, I will be not okay because sir, I am giving my enough time to Byju's.
Okay. That is why I asked what was your expectation. So you mentioned that whatever salary you'll give me, I'll accept that. Right? So you might have added your experience.
No, sir. Actually, I thought whatever it mentioned in the email ID. So that's right.
Okay. Shweta, we also have a bond in Byju's of 3 years. If you work in Byju's, you'll have to sign a bond of 3 years. Are you okay with it?
Yes, sir. I will have no problem.
But if you break the bond in between 3 years, you'll have to pay 10 lakh rupees as a compensation amount. Are you okay with it?
So I'm okay. No problem.
Okay, perfect. I'm giving you 3 things you have to rate according to your priority. First is money, second is work-life balance, and third is career growth.
Okay, first I prefer career growth. Okay. And second one is money, and third one is work-life balance.
Okay. Shweta, apart from your family, who is the biggest motivation to you?
Sir, my biggest motivation is my husband.
Apart from your family, I did. So husband and mother, father, you can leave as of now. And tell me, apart from those, who is the biggest motivation to you?
So my teachers.
My teachers. Any specific teacher? Anyone? You specifically
remember?
Yes,
sir. I know one teacher. His name is Mr. Ram. So he is he support me anyway. He is very good, helpful of me.
Okay. So Chota, I think the interview is done here, and now we'll move to our feedback session of the interview. Okay.
Okay, sir.